पंजाब लॉ रिपोर्टर पेज नंबर 642 लीगल डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट। लैंड एक्विजिशन एक्ट 1894 विद इन ब्रैकेट 1 ऑफ 1894 ब्रैकेट क्लोज सेक्शन 6 विद इन ब्रैकेट 1 प्लेन रीडिंग ऑफ explanation 1 to section 6 of the act clearly spells out that the period during which any section or the proceedings to be taken in pursuance of the notification issued under section 4 within bracket 1 of the act had remained stayed by an order of a court is to be excluded for the purpose of determining the period of limitation for issuance of excluded for the purpose of determining the period of limitation for issuance of notification under section 6 of the act. The provision nowhere provides that the period for issuing notification under section 6 of the act would be reckoned from the date of receipt of certified copy of the order, and the period up to that date shall be excluded. Notification under section 6 issued beyond the period of limitation is quashed as a consequence. Notification under section 4 of the act also be considered to have lapsed. Reply by way of counter affidavit on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2 filed today in court is taken on record subject to all just exceptions. In this petition filed under articles 226/227 of the Constitution of India, challenge is to the notifications dated 22/12/2010 within bracket annexer P6 bracket close issued under section 4 of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 bracket start. In short, the act bracket close and dated 3/10/2012 bracket start annexer P12 bracket close issued under section 6 of the act briefly stated the facts necessary for adjudication of the present petition as narrated therein are that the petitioners owned land measuring 8 bighas 19 biswas in village Chahat, Tehsil and district SAS Nagar, comprised in Khasra number 363 within bracket 5-8 bracket close 364 bracket start 1-1 bracket close and 365-2-10. In the year 2007, they decided to set up a marriage place, namely Apsara Resort, Apsara Garden, and in April 2007 deposited rupees so and so respondent respectively up with the Forest Department, Punjab, for availing an access to the proposed marriage place from the Jirakpur Patiala National Highway number 64, as certain trees we blocking the proposed access. An application was submitted to the fire station officer, fire station Derabashi, for grant of fire safety certificate, who wide letter number 9/10/2007 within bracket annexer P2 after verification issued a fire safety certificate for Apsara Garden, which was to be renewed from year to year. The said marriage place was marriage of A class construction and had modern day facilities etc. The petitioners had supposed on the land and rupees so and so on the construction and other infrastructure available at Apsara Resort, Apsara Garden. Since 2007, the petitioners have deposited various amounts towards excise licensee fee, service tax and luxury tax etc. On 5/2/2009, the state government issued a notification under section 4 of the act acquiring a huge chunk of land measuring 9 to 973 acre in village Matran, Krishanpur,